Hello students, a very warm welcome. Now in this video we are going to study about lesson number 16, that is day and night. Now students, coming to page number 101. See, Shevanta wakes up at 6:45 every morning. What differences do you see in the two pictures? What causes these differences? Now see, in the first picture it shows morning time. The clock shows the time as 6:45 am. The bulb doesn't glow. Still we can see the things around in the presence of sunlight. Now see the next picture. It shows dusk. The clock shows the time as 6:45 pm. The bulb glows to drive away darkness. Due to outside darkness, we cannot see these things outside. Now what causes these differences? These differences are caused due to the rotation of the earth about its imaginary axis. Now students, see, just as a top spins about itself, the earth too turns around itself. So the part of the earth that is getting sunlight goes into darkness, and the part that is in darkness comes into the light. That is, where there is day it becomes night after some time, and where there is night it becomes day. We say that it is day in the half that gets light, while in the other half where sunlight does not reach, it is night. Every day we see day chasing night and then night chasing day. Night comes after day and the day follows night. This cycle goes on without stopping. Now students, coming to page number 101. Do you know? See, the sun rises in the east in the morning and moves towards the west. In the evening the sun sets in the west. So we feel that the sun goes around the earth. But that is only an impression. Actually the earth turns around itself. That is why we have day and night on the earth. The spinning of the earth around itself is called the rotation of the earth. Now students, coming to page number 102. See, the whole day has 24 hours. But are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? If that were true, we would have sunrise every morning at 6 o'clock and sunset every evening at 6 o'clock too. Now let us see what really happens. Now see students, see here, try this. See, some calendars give the time of sunrise and sunset for every day. You take such a calendar for this year and use it to complete the following tables. This you do it as activity. Now see the first column. See, table 1, the month is May. Then what you do, you write down the date of sunrise and sunset. Then what you do, see, you take the date on 4th, what was the sunrise time and what is the sunset time. In this way you take the dates of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. In the same way you take again table 2, the another month November, and you see the sunrise and sunset of the dates 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28, and then you compare, see the sunrise timing and the sunset timing of both the months. See whether you see they are same or not. Now students, from the above table, what do you see? See, in November the sun rises a little later every day while it sets a little earlier every day. And that in the month of May the sun rises a little earlier every day and the sun sets a little later every day. Now students, see, what does this tell us? In November the days become shorter and shorter while nights become longer, and in May the days become longer and longer while the nights become shorter and shorter. Thus we are now sure that day and night are not of 12 hours each all year around. And students, do you know, in the whole year, 22nd March and 22nd September are the only dates on which day and night are of equal length, that is of 12 hours each. Now coming to page number 103. See, on March 22nd, day and night are both 12 hours long. Then in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and night time decreases. This goes on till June 21st. And on June 21st, our day is the longest and the night is the shortest. From June 21st, in our part of the earth, daytime becomes shorter and shorter and night becomes longer. This goes on till September 22nd. Then on September 22nd, our day is of 12 hours and the night too is of 12 hours. After that, the days continue to become shorter. The nights become longer. This goes on till December 22nd. Now on December 22nd, our night is the longest and the day is the shortest. From December 22nd, the day grows longer and the night shorter. This goes on till March 22nd. From March 22nd, this cycle repeats itself. And now students, do you know, when the days are longer and the nights are shorter, it is summer, and when the nights are longer and the days are shorter, it is winter. And now students, will have a quick recap of what we have learned. See students, as the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is daylight on half the earth while there is darkness on the other half. The earth spins around itself, so the part that faces the sun goes into darkness and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternately. The whole day has 24 hours, but in the whole year, only on March 22nd and September 22nd, we do have both day and night of 12 hours each. From December to June, the day gets longer, while from June to December, the day gets shorter. From March 22nd to June 21st, our daytime increases slowly and night time decreases. From June 21st till September 22nd, the day becomes shorter and the nights become longer. From September 22nd till December 22nd, the day continues to be shorter and the nights longer. December 22nd onwards, the day again becomes longer and nights shorter. And students, see, we should always remember there is a connection between the seasons and the changing lengths of the days and nights. See, because in summer the days are longer and the nights are shorter, and then in winter the nights are longer and the days are shorter. And now for homework students, you have to read, learn and write these words 10 times in your notebook. Like the first word quarter, second word earth, third word night, fourth word chasing, fifth word spins, sixth word rotation, seventh word sunrise, eighth word sunset, ninth word summer and the 10th one winter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and stay protective.